Hello, hello, hello. It's Nicole. Nicole is making it happen, and I am here with a quick CVS run for you. I didn't do a very big haul. I just grabbed a couple things that I had CRTs for. But just to let you guys know, I'm not sure what's going on at CVS, but none of my manufacturer digital coupons were attaching. Like I had $1.50 for the Snuggle. That didn't come off. And then I had the one for the Colgate toothbrushes. That didn't come off. I was going to get some Jergens lotion. That didn't come off. My Denver coupon didn't come off. So there were a lot of things that I didn't get because the digital coupons weren't attaching. So that's why my haul is so small. But I'm going to go back tomorrow and try again and see if they got the system fixed or whatever's going on. But as you can see, I was able to get some savings. Not the best of savings, but I did get some stuff for free. So I'm going to go ahead and share that with you. So if you haven't subscribed to my channel, go ahead and do so. Plus, hit the bell next to the subscription button. That way, you'll get a notification every time I put up a new video. And if you see any of the deals that you like and you plan on doing, comment below or just comment and say hi. Let me know how you're doing. Or if you've already done the deals, let me know what your favorite deal was. So go ahead and get some paper and a pencil so you can take notes, and some in your phone so you can do a screenshot. And let's get ready to save. Okay, guys, so I did two different transactions. So my first transaction was on the Maxwell House coffee. I don't know, I can't talk tonight. These were on sale for $5.99. They are regularly $13.99. I noticed CVS inflates their prices a bit, but for it to be on sale for $5.99, I think is an excellent deal. So I went ahead and I grabbed two of those. And the reason I grabbed two of those is because I got a text message yesterday with a $5 ECB for St. Patrick's Day. And I believe today was the last day that I could use it. I believe it was only for like 24 hours or something. So I thought this would be a great deal to throw that in on. And then I also had a $3 off 10 any coffee CRT. So that was $8 that was coming off of the $12 that I paid for the coffee. And then I submitted my receipt to Ibotta because Ibotta has a $1.50 rebate. So I got a $1.50 back for each one of those. So that was another $3. So if you take the $3 off for the CRT, the $3 for Ibotta, and the $10, and the $5 for the St. Patrick's CRT that I got, that's a total of $11. So when you round that up, I really only paid, I can't even read my receipt. I paid a total of, say $1 for that coffee. And here is my receipt. You see, it was regularly $13.99. They were on sale for $5.99. There's my $3 off 10 CRT. My $5 extra buck reward that I got for St. Patrick's Day. And then I had some cents that I used, which was $3.34. So that was 64 cents out of pocket that I paid. So really that would have been $3.98 out of pocket. And then I submitted my receipt to Ibotta and I got back another $3. So then that means I only paid 98 cents out of pocket for two of these Maxwell House coffees. I think that's a pretty good deal. I'm not a coffee drinker, but this would make great items to resell. But I'm not going to resell mine. I'm actually going to put these in a gift basket. I have some coffee mugs that I got on clearance. So I'm going to make a gift basket with these and the coffee mugs and some napkins and give it to someone for Mother's Day. I think that would be a great Mother's Day gift, Mother's Day basket. So then my next transaction, I got everything else. So let's start with the Colgate toothbrushes. So the Colgate toothbrushes were on sale for $4.99 this week. And there is a deal with extra bucks. If you buy two, you get a $5 extra buck. And you can do the deal 2 times. So I actually maxed out the deal because of all the CRTs that I had. So I bought 4 of those. So if you round each one of them up to $5, that's a total of $20 in toothbrushes that I got. And then I used 4 of the $1 Colgate toothbrush coupons. And I also had a $2 off 2 Colgate toothpaste CRT. And I had another one, the same exact one. So I had 2 CRTs that were $2 off of Colgate products. It could be mouthwash. It could be toothbrushes or toothpaste. And actually, this deal also includes the mouthwash. But I didn't do the mouthwash because I have mouthwash and I really needed toothbrushes. So that's why I decided to go ahead and do the toothbrushes. So between the $2 CRTs, which came to $4, plus the $4 in coupons, that's $8, and then the $10 in CRTs that I got back, in extra bucks that I got back, that was a pretty good deal for these toothbrushes. So then that meant that I only paid a total of $2 for 4 Colgate toothbrushes. So I think that's a pretty good deal. Normally I get them free, but it just didn't work out this week. So then the second thing that I grabbed were the 3 tissue papers by Hallmark. You see, I got 3 different kinds. I had 2 Hallmark CRTs. Each of them were $3 off 3 items. So that gave me a total of $6 off of 3 items. Now, I combined those. Even though it was $3 off 3, doesn't mean you have to get 6. It just means that you get $6 off of 3 items if you combine those. So I got these, and they were $1.99. So these were actually free. Now, you don't have to get the tissue paper. The CRT says $2.99 and up on cards, and you don't have to get the cards. If you scan, or if you've used these CRTs in the past, you'll know that the Hallmark CRTs work on any of the Hallmark products. So I chose to get some tissue paper because I have 1,000,001 cards, and I don't need any of those, but I do need some tissue paper for my gift baskets that I have coming up. So the next item I got was the Tylenol Extra Strength. The Tylenol Extra Strength, and these were actually $6 and $6.29. And the reason I got these is because I had 3 CRTs. I had 2 CRTs that were $3 off any pain. And normally I use the $3 off CRT and get like CVS baby aspirin or CVS brand Tylenol, and it's usually like $3.29. But because I had 2 of them, I wanted to combine them and get something different. And then I also had $1 off of any Tylenol product. So I decided to combine all 3 of the CRTs to actually get these free. So although that came up to $7, the CRT actually reduced down in order to make this product free because CVS does not give any overage. Now, my other item I got was the Cerave Hydrating Cleansing Bar. And that was $7 and I really need to get new glasses. $7.59. And I had a $5 off Cerave or CR. I don't know how you say this. I call it Cerave. But I had a $5 off CRT off of any Cerave product. And then I used a $3 manufacturer coupon. So that was a total of $8. Okay, guys, so I'll go over my receipt with you. So here's the Colgate toothbrushes. You see there's 4 of those. There is the Snuggle, which they price adjusted for $3.99. The Tylenol, the Cerave, the wipes, and then the 3 Hallmark gift wraps. And you can see I had 4 manufacturer coupons that came off. That was for the toothbrushes. The $3 manufacturer coupon was for the Cerave. Then I had the $3 off any pain, $3 off CVS Baby. The pain was for the Tylenol. The $3 off Baby, CVS Health Baby is for the wipes. The $3 off 3 Hallmark. Then the $3 off any pain. Then the $3 off any Hallmark. And you see that adjusted down to $2.97 because, again, it doesn't give overage. The $2 off the Colgate 2 times. Then the $1 off Select Pain. And you see that adjusted down to 29 cents. And I spent a total of $10 in extra bucks. Then you see that's the 20% off for the wipes. And the 20% off for CarePass. So I paid $4 with my $10 in extra bucks. I paid $14.54 out of pocket. But then you see I got back $10 in extra bucks. So really I paid $4.54 out of pocket, and that's mainly because of this snuggle here. So if you take the $4.54 plus the $1 that I spent on the coffee, that means I paid $5.54 for everything in this picture. I'm absolutely fine with that because that's, like I said, that's like paying for the snuggle and getting everything else for free, or paying for the Tylenol and getting everything else for free. So guys, don't forget to always upload your receipts to Ibotta to get your rebates. If you haven't downloaded Ibotta, go ahead and do so. When you use my code and you upload your first receipt, you get a $10 bonus, no matter how much of a rebate you redeem. And then when you send your link to all of your friends and family, every time they, the first time, that they redeem a rebate, you get $10 and they get $10. So I'll put my link in the description box as well as in the comments. And all you have to do is click on it, download it on your phone, and get ready to save. So guys, let me know what deals you're going to do. I'll be back with another CVS video tomorrow. Hopefully the computer doesn't have an attitude and works fine. But until the next time, keep on saving.